A high-energy election rally was held this Sunday at Khupilong VC in the strategic show of strength for Tipra Motha candidate Purna Chandra Jamatia. The event, centered on the Killa-Bagma constituency, saw a significant turnout of party supporters and local residents. Killa-Bagma candidate Purna Chandra Jamatia delivered a stirring address during a massive campaign rally, citing that the Tipra Motha party is poised for a significant surge in the upcoming ADC elections. Addressing a large gathering of supporters, Jamatia emphasized the collective goal of strengthening the leadership project Killa-Bagma, popularly known as Bubagra. The candidate expressed firm confidence that the party's influence would expand substantially following the ADC polls, citing the dedication of local volunteers and the strategic importance of the Killa-Bagma seat in the broader electoral roadmap.
Khupilong VC kaisa nengui kaisa oro rally Khupilong VC o gurnai tabo oro mantri hathai nisini khangni school tei mani khang jera rally khainai oro jotonu phatung khajani bichiti tini phaikha tei bichini oro je rally phainai rono hambaiya phare satung kutungma jorao phane chini bubagra no logeroi chini chobana tei bukrak khainai hine khaimani bagai amo kaisa bichini rally jongso phono lainai chini strike bisin tong jotonu saimano o amsayo tei opposition no ke bukuri thung Tipra Motha mangno nge tini satung kutungma jorao boro o rally o khainai bilai ke hambaiya phare.
He stated that the primary objective of the current mobilization is to consolidate political influence to further the Bubagra vision for regional autonomy and empowerment. The report, Chini, Khorang.